Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to install a trailer hitch on a 2018 Toyota Highlander. The hitch model is Draw-Tite 75896. As you can see, I have two trailer hitches. One is originally purchased on the top. This did not fit because there is an inherent manufacturing defect. The socket where the screw goes did not align with the car frame, so there's no physical way for me to screw in this hitch because there's about a ½ inch or inch gap where I cannot physically place the screw through this socket. The new one, as you can see, I lined them in parallel. The difference is the new one is about 1 inch wider than the old one. So that's why I have to request customer service and ship a replacement. First, I found you do not need to jack up the car. The height is about a foot or so. There should be enough space for you to work with. So if you just put a mat under and then you lay like this, you still have like full arm length where you can work underneath the car. What you have to do is you have to take off the left and right lower panels. There used to be plastic panels that you can take off, and then it will expose these sockets. So you can see 1, 2, 3 on the driver's side, and then another 1, 2, 3 on the passenger side. These are the two plastic panels that is attached to the bumper you need to take off. One, you see LH is left, and then RH that is on the right. So take off these screws, one on each corner, both the left and right. Taking off the plastic panel, you can use a flathead screwdriver and pry it off. The retainer will break. Well, you can go to AutoZone or O'Reilly and purchase new ones. They're about a few dollars in pack of 2s. In the trailer hitch instruction manual, it comes with this bracket, square bracket. Basically what it does is shifts the exhaust from 1½ inch higher to lower position. So all this does is just lower this exhaust by 1 inch or 2, and it exposes these rails where you can have more room to install the hitch. You also need to remove the spare tire. This is where the spare tire used to sit. You can undo it from inside and then take out the spare tire. This will give you more room to install the hitch. Before the installation, I need to make sure each of the screws can easily fit into the car frame. So basically take the screw that comes with the hitch and make sure you can easily turn it and fits into the car frame. Make sure the screws is not stripped. Okay, now you lay the hitch in parallel with the car. This is how it goes underneath the car. You have 3 screws on the left side. Here is the tow hitch, and then 3 screws on the right side. And I suggest lay off the screws, have it ready, use a 19mm socket. You may need to ask another person to help you lift it because these are pretty heavy parts about 30 pounds or so. So it's easier if you have one extra help. Okay, with another person's help, I was able to lift on both sides and mount at least one screw on each side. As you can see, this one has much better alignment than the customer return unit, but still, as you can see, there is some variation where you only have half of the hole exposed. And on this side, difficult to see, but you can see it's already all the way to the most left side towards you. There's not much room to give. So what you may have to do is to push it like this when you put it on the screw. Because it doesn't fit exactly into the socket and you want to avoid stripping, what you have to do is push it. You either use your hand and feet and force it straight, and then put the screws in. On the passenger side, because we have the exhaust, there's not enough room to work with, and also because the hitch is curved, you need to use about 6-inch extension in order to fit through the gap and tighten this bolt. I choose not to install the plastic cover because there's really nothing underneath that needs to be covered. It's bare metal. I think it's more hassle to put the plastic thing on there. So all you have to do is put back the spare tire and then you're good to go. The trailer hitch comes with these two holes, one bigger one, one smaller one. That's good. You can put a bike rack or you can tow a small trailer. The capacity is 6,000 pounds. As you can see, I was able to install the trailer hitch without need to purchase the package from the dealership. It saved me around $2,000. And the hitch, you can buy them at eTrailer.com. You can type in your car model and there's option of all the different trailer hitch you can purchase, and it's already pre-fitted with your car. So altogether it saved me about $2,000. So it definitely is a great deal if you can install it by yourself, and it really is 1 or 2 hour jobs. You can install it and looks very satisfying. I hope that helps you. Thank you for watching.